What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another rental apartment makeover. Today I'm working on peel and stick counters for my kitchen. I've actually done these peel and stick counters one time before, but the first application was a little shoddy, and so I wanted to redo it and see if it could come out a little bit better. As you guys can see from this video, I'm clearly struggling, honey. It's a lot harder than it looks on videos in YouTube that I watched before this, but I did get the job done. I was using a little Starbucks card to kind of smooth out the paper at first, but then I just started putting some elbow grease into it to really get it nice and flat. The first time I did this, I didn't wrap the paper all the way around underneath the island. So you'll see I'm taking some time to make sure that it's really flat on the top and then wraps around nicely under the bottom there. Okay, once I got the first piece on, I went ahead and measured out the sticker. Basically, for the second piece, I wanted you guys to see it has lines on the back so it can guide you to cut a nice straight line. And then I went and took my razor blade and cut against the edge of the first layer so that it was smooth up against the wall. When I went to lay the second layer, it would lay nicely overlapping. This is what I was talking about before, making sure that the paper wraps all the way underneath, because when you're sitting on the floor painting or whatever, vegging out, you could see the wood underneath. So I really wanted to make sure that everything was covered. As you can see, I'm using my forearm to kind of smooth out the paper there. Finally got it down to the other side. Okay, and then we got to the corners. So let me talk to you guys about these corners. So the first time I did this, I had no idea what to do with the corners. They were super jank. This time they're a little bit better, but honestly they're still not great. Looking at other people's videos on YouTube, I'm like, damn, they're killing the corners. But for me, this island has rounded edges, so the corners across from this rounded island turned out great, but these rounded corners were throwing me for a loop. And literally after trying for a bit, I started to get frustrated with it, so I just made good enough and put the fridge back and moved on. So this is the final look. The corners could use a little bit of work, but overall I'm pleased with the look of it. I think it looks so much better. I'll leave the link for you guys below to the Amazon store where I purchased it. And if you put this in your house, make sure that you take a picture and you tag me on Instagram at kswest_.
Purchase your tracks